Saurabh Mudili. I am from Talcher. Currently, I am pursuing BTech in Veer Surendra Sai University of Technology in the stream of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. I came to know about Career Lab from an email which I received from my college, and I attended the seminar. It was about GRE, and then at the end, I got to know that there is also one program regarding the profile building, the Career Lab. So I was interested in that, and I got to know, and I joined the Career Lab from there. We had to give some tests, so I got actually good marks in logical and aptitude. I got few marks in my stream subjects. So when I received the mentor call, ma'am told me to enroll in some coding like Python and C++ so that I'll be comfortable because I had scored good in aptitude and coding tests. So during my mentor call, Kritika ma'am told me to do some coding related courses. I got few marks in stream test, which was about electronics. So Kritika ma'am told me to do some coding related courses. So I took C++ with data structures, Python, and some of the embedded systems and IoT for my starter pack courses. And it really helped me to know that in which stream I was going to pursue my career. The starter pack courses were really good. It means helped me to gain some basic knowledge about. I took C++, Python, VLSI with Verilog, embedded systems, and IoT. The last three, the embedded systems, IoT, and VLSI with Verilog, were really good and they helped me to increase some basic knowledge about this. And also, I personally liked the Python one, and the teacher which taught in the starter pack courses regarding Python were really good, and I really liked that also. As I told, I liked the Python one, so I thought I could do something in Python. So I took Python in data science. Means I was interested in data science, so I took analytics from engineers. Analytics for engineers. It was from Jigsaw Academy. It was really nice course. I personally liked it very much because I got to know a lot of case studies in that course, and the assignments which were given to me, it was really good, and it helped me really got I got to know about a lot of industry related problems and how we can tackle in those situations. Yeah, I got really impressed by the assignments which I got from that analytics from engineers. I personally liked the recent seminar which was how to get the internship or placements, and also there were a lot of seminars regarding how to build a CV and how to write your own research paper. It was really nicely explained by our mentor Kritika ma'am. But my personal favorite was how to ace that placements and how to ace placements for any internships or any kind of company. And in Career Labs, means Arpita ma'am really helped me to solve all my problems like extension of advanced course or getting certificate from for advanced course, or also I got a few less marks in advanced course. So means Arpita ma'am also informed me and also told me to improve that, and again we gave those tests and improved in that score, and I got those tests. So Arpita ma'am really helped me in all those. Till now, she really has helped me a lot. Third year is the best time to start any kind of career lab because it is the perfect time now. In pandemic situation, we don't have any colleges stress from many colleges. Also, our exams are going on online, so we don't have to worry about that. And I think third year is the perfect time to start. And in the final year, really it will give a lot of confidence in facing any kind of interview during placements or any kind of PPOs. And it will also technically help you to improve your knowledge in your domain or in any kind of means you like to choose. It will help you to increase your knowledge. Career is the perfect time. Go for it. Don't wait and don't waste time in this pandemic situation. It is really good.